In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva email signature to Gmail. Email signatures are a fantastic way to give your emails a professional touch, and customizing one through Canva allows you to showcase your personal brand with style. It only takes a few steps to get everything set up, and I'll guide you through each one so that you're ready to revamp your email correspondence with ease. To get started, you'll first need to ensure you have a Canva account, as this is where the magic of design happens. If you don't have one, go ahead and create it now. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, head over to the Canva homepage and use the search bar to type in email signature. Canva offers a variety of templates catering to different styles and professions, so browse through the options and select one that resonates with you. Once you've chosen a template, customize it with your information. Replace the placeholder name, title, and contact details with your own. You can also modify colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your branding. When you've finished designing the signature, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the editor and choose Download. You'll want to save this as an image, preferably in PNG format, given its excellent quality and transparency options. With your Canva signature image saved to your device, you're ready to take it to Gmail. Open your Gmail account, and in the top right corner, you'll find a gear icon, which is the entry point for accessing settings. Click on this gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Now you're in the Gmail settings, click on the General tab. It's usually the default tab, so you might be there already. Scroll down until you find the Signature section, where you can create a new signature. Here, click on Create New, name your signature whatever you'd like, and click Create. In the text field provided, you'll want to insert your Canva image. To do this, click on the icon that looks like an image button, and it will prompt you to upload the file. Navigate to where you saved your Canva design and select it to upload. Voila! Your custom Canva signature is now in Gmail. Make sure everything looks good, and feel free to tweak the format if necessary. Before you finish, ensure your new signature is set to appear in every email by checking the Signature Defaults section. It allows you to select which email signature to append for new emails and replies or forwards. Remember to scroll all the way down and click Save Changes to ensure your new signature is applied. Adding a personal Canva touch to your email signature in Gmail is a great way to maintain professionalism and leave a lasting impression on your email contacts.